If you find yourself charged with a crime, selecting your attorney is the most important decision you'll make. The most important choice your lawyer will make is time. The kind of experience you will have will depend on time. The time your lawyer puts in with you, the time your lawyer puts in on your case. At its core, time is the ultimate luxury. We choose to work with a small, select group of clients who have a lot to lose. We deliberately keep our case volume low so we can give each case the time and attention that it deserves. This allows us to provide a truly unique experience in criminal defense.
I built my life here in Seattle. I love this place. I've worked hard to build the life that I've had, and I've been very blessed to have the success that I've had.
And here's the thing. You never really realize how much you have until it's under threat.
Cases are won and lost in the details. When you absolutely need to win your case, the last thing you can afford to do is take shortcuts. When you dig into the details, more details emerge. Having the kind of lawyer who's going to spend that time, spend those resources to make sure that no stone is left unturned is critical to having the outcome you need.
Like, I've built a business, I have a wonderful family and a wonderful life. Just being charged with a crime can jeopardize everything I've worked for. I have a lot to lose, which is why I won't compromise when selecting an attorney.
When facing a criminal accusation, it can feel like time's moving very quickly. That's why you want to have a legal team that can anticipate upcoming events. Over the course of my career, I've developed a perspective that allows me to look at the landscape of a case and engineer a defense that's structurally sound. It gives me the sort of 10,000-foot view of how things are likely to play out. You know, when we should go on offense, when we should go on defense, what details are important, how can we paint the right picture for the jury to see things our way.
What I value in a law firm is the little things. Never having a call go to voicemail, being responsive to emails, and somebody that when I have a question, I get an answer. I want a law firm to treat me like my time is just as valuable as theirs. When you're in a high-stress situation and you have that lawyer with a personal touch, it's pretty incredible. No matter what happens, I know that I have someone who cares about the outcome of my case as much as I do.
If you're going to invest in the best possible defense of your case, choose a firm that keeps a deliberately low case volume so each case can get the time and attention it deserves. Seattle Defense is built on that principle. We specialize in working with a small, select group of clients so we can give each client our undivided time and attention. Because the ultimate luxury is time.